Hello my people, hope you are doing okay. Welcome to my world, welcome to Hanimi's world, where we show you how you can survive in the villages while you are doing agribusiness, guys. So right now we are mixing our chicken feeds. You see, this is what we do. This channel gives you practical experience on how you can stay in your villages and carry out agribusiness. It is a lifestyle agriculture channel. So if you are interested in such vlogs, please consider to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are aware when I upload more videos. Look at these hens. I have a problem of cannibalism, guys. Look at that wing. That chick's wing. These hens chew themselves. So these ones that are outside, I've separated them from other hens because of cannibalism. What is the name of this hen? In English, we call it ancested. Those hens are very hard to get nowadays. And this one is naked neck. So we are doing what the government is supposed to do. We are breeding these breeds so that they don't run into extinct. They are pure local breeds, guys. So we have to rear them so that they don't become extinct like forever. Nantume is crying. We can't locate where the kid is, but we are going to look for the kid. The drain. Lusingo singa jakuona. So meanwhile, we also get these broilers and rear them on free range. When you rear them on free range, these broilers, the meat is hardened and kind of the taste is different from the other broilers that you rear indoors. So these ones rear them on free range for our home consumption only. So we are almost through with mixing the chicken feeds. Now we have some new cocks. We vaccinated them and we quarantined them for some weeks, so they are ready to be taken to our hens. That is what we are doing. That is the last bunch of the cocks. We are adding them to our hens to make a good pure breed of hens. So we control inbreeding. Inbreeding is not right in rearing of all animals. So even in local hens, we don't inbreed. That's why we have to get other breeds. Even this scattered feathers, we are going to take it. That necessary, we shall take it. Guys, we are preparing for the rainy seasons, you see, but we cannot see rain. We are so much prepared for the rainy season, but the rain is not coming. We don't know. There is a lot of change in the weather here in my country, guys. For the past, let me say, 1 year, last year it was so worse. It never rained to our expectation, and I see we are facing the same thing even now. You see, so we are remaining with only the other part to prepare for the rainy season, but the other one and this one, they are all prepared, but there is no rain. Under normal circumstances right now we would have gotten rain, but there is no rain, guys. So these are the hens. We've brought the cocks, new cocks. The other ones, we removed them. They had served enough. So we've brought new cocks in them. These ones. These are the hens. They are local, natural hens. You see? They eat up all the grasses. So in the evenings, we let them out. We let them out, like outside also, outside of this chain link. You see, we prepared the garden for the rains. We have hope that it will rain. So this is our cassava, coffee, banana, matoke, garden and fruits. But I don't know whether we shall get any banana or matoke, because this area is very prone to goats. Goats escape and come inside and eat our matoke. Look at that. That is the matoke we have. So guys, this is our pineapple garden. This is our pineapple garden. You see some of them are red, but we are going to continue plowing them. That is what we are doing, guys. And we have to put this, we always put these goat droppings for manure. So we are just waiting for the rains and everything will change to the better, guys. So this is the exercising area and the hens are going to feed. You see what the goats do to our matoke plantation here. I don't know how we are going to do it, but they kind of escape and come. Njiraba.
Yeah, black.
Nsigo tozigwaba. Leave the hens alone to feed. Mune ochazi. Sigo. Nsigo. Ogogo nyina omugwa wenjo okukubisa. Kali akabulaka bakajjanja kaganywa kuona. Waliwo akalala akalinga akagwa eddalu. Dedran ezaali enkulu oziraba oba toziraba? Naye eno ey'akasunsu emyufu ezo bazaalula we twagenda ne koowa.
Ey'akasunsu ekyabulamu mulimu enkulu ennyo ate.
Nkoko 2, 3, 5, 10, 13. Kati enkulu bwe tuzifuna nga tuzigattako. Nantume is crying okuva ekiro kyonna omwana mmye. Waliwo nnenne. That is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, like and share. You on bread, the bank others are eating. Rafael, and Angelo Joba Dojanja nayo. Nere ya black. Baba daji janja we ganyo kuona. Jiraba. Waliwo nere ya black. Eno ndwadde nno. Rafael, oganda jijjamu ogiteeke mu kiri ekiyumba ziri ez'engulu. mwe zibadde ezombi endwadde n'eri eringa eyagwa eddalu anti zagamba. So we shall quarantine them, those 2 hens that are sick. Bye-bye.